Hello guys. In this video we will learn how to make a joule thief. It's a very simple project and fun to build. What we need is an farad core, some LEDs, a resistor, a 5K resistor, an NPN transistor, AAA battery holder, perf board and some wires. Now let's begin winding our inductor. We take the two wires and start the winding with both wires in the same direction. The number of turns it does not matter, we will wind until we fill up the core. The farad core we will find it on a broken compact fluorescent lamp driver, like this one. We will connect the wires like this. The beginning of the orange wire with the end of the blue one. We form the center tap and this is where we connect the positive from the battery. The LEDs we connect them in parallel. Now we solder the transistor in this way with the emitter to the negative of the LEDs and the collector to the positive of the LEDs. The resistor will be connected between the base and emitter. Now we connect the 5K resistor to the base of the transistor. After we solder the resistor, it's time to solder our inductor. We take the orange wire and connect him to the collector of the transistor, and the blue wire to the 5K resistor. After we solder our inductor, it's time to connect the battery holder and the negative to the emitter of the transistor. The positive wire we will solder him to the center tap of the inductor. In the end, everything should look something like this. Well, I hope you liked my video. Like, share and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thank you.